bike is going forward.
Nothing's ever set. You're always changing.
I'm Sean Sullivan, Executive Vice President of Product Development and Marketing. It's not very often that you get to work on a project like this where you have a great idea and some great engineering staff and great design staff. And we came up with, well, Chris Bullock came up, our head engineer for equipment, came up with this idea. And he was traveling in China and called me late at night and talked to me about this idea he had for an entirely different way of building a bike helmet. And he got me pretty fired up, so in the morning, I got with Robert Egger, our creative director, and we kind of talked through the idea, and we got Chris back on the phone, and we really got charged up on this thing and got moving. In the years that I've worked on product, there's been very few times where we've done something that I would say really changes the whole landscape of a product line or of an industry, and this new helmet really does that. And it's super exciting, and I'm really excited about it. And you're all going to get a free one at the launch today, so you can test for yourself and let me know what you think.
Hey, I'm Chris Bullock, and I work on helmets for Specialized. Normally helmets are about 300 grams. This is about 200 grams. It's pretty amazing. We got a third of the weight out of this, and the way we did it was using high-density foam where you want to use high-density foam on the side here, and then using a low-density foam where it's best to use low-density on the top here, and then joining the two densities together with this Kevlar reinforcement.
Massive pile up on the road. The yellow jersey is gone. Well, that was very nasty.
My name is Robert Egger, and I'm the creative director here at Specialized. I'm holding in my hands the new 2D helmet from Specialized. This is a creation that took over 2 years to create. If you look at the front of this helmet, it has a mouth port just like a Ferrari Testarossa, so it's designed to suck air through the helmet. If you look at the vents, they're all channeled to the rear, so the helmet is very sleek and it looks fast even if it's sitting on your shelf. If you look at the back of the helmet, we have vertical exhaust vents that help to suck the air through the helmet. We're headed to a special place at Specialized. This is the Bondo room. This is where the magic happens. This is a fellow I work with, Rob Perry.
This right here started out to be our new high-end helmet. This is where it began. We turned it into the 3D helmet through sculpting and styling with Bondo and sandpaper and files, and we shaped it and brought it through a lot of revisions. This is the final master pattern. This final pattern is scanned and turned into a digital file. It's mirrored on the computer, and then that digital file is used to make the tooling, the CNC tooling.
This helmet's super light, super aerodynamic, and it kicks ass.